Assalamu alaikum dear viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel Structure Design Experts. Today our topic is about steel bar calculation, main steel bar calculation for column C1. So main steel bar is 10 numbers and 16 mm, links is 2 links at the rate of 8 mm. So all the detail is given here from bottom to the top floor. Overlap will be 0.70 millimeter meter and length of each bar is 7.7 meter. So the number of bar in each column is given 10 numbers. So the length of one bar is 7.7 meters. So one steel bar can produce only one piece. So therefore the numbers the remaining will be in wastage as a extra bars we can adjust anywhere, but here we use one bar. So the total bar for one column will be 10 numbers. Will be 10 numbers, and the 10 numbers it is the length of one bar is 12 meters. So 10 multiplied by 12 is equal to 120 running meter. So now we will convert the running meter to kg. So the formula is d square divided by 162. So we are here right now here 16 by 16 mm, it is 16 mm. So if we use 12 mm bar, so the same process will be applying. So now just d square divided by 162, it means the length of the weight of bar per running meter. Per 1 meter it is 1.58. So 1.58 into 120 running meter is already we calculated the length used in our column. So it is 189.63 kg. So the remaining pieces of 4.3 meter is just a wastage. We can adjust it here anywhere and putting in such an other members, but our demand will be 10 bars, which is 120 running meter. Basically almost this type of 7.7 by 10 is equal to 77 exactly used steel bars. Use 7.7 meter out of 12 meters, so the remaining will be the pieces. Just we can use it in other places. Now we have to discuss about the stirrups calculation. So let's start the stirrups. For stirrups we have selected single stirrup. That's why, because in another video we will discussing multiple stirrups calculations, bend up bars and hooks as well. So let's start. This one is the detail of C1 column. The 10 main bars 16 mm and one length 8 mm steel bar, and the width is depth is 15 centimeter and width is 20 centimeter. This is the length of bent up bars 30 mm, and this is and 4 corners, and bent up bar is hook is 6 centimeter 60 mm. This is the concrete cover which will be minus from both the sides. So this is 20 centimeter and the one is 50 centimeter. We will start from 50 centimeter side length. So it is 45 plus 15 plus 45 plus 14. So 45, therefore we selected the 2.5 cm from this side and 2.5 cm from this side. So it is 45 cm and 15 2.5 from this side and 2.5 from this. So it is 15 centimeter, as will in other sides too. So now the bent up bar and 4 corners, it is 3 centimeter 30 mm on 4 corners. So we will now select 3 plus 3 plus 3, and now the hook is 2 hooks 6 centimeter with the length of one is 6 centimeter. So 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. So now we calculate this all. It is 15 centi. Mistakenly we wrote the 14. So it is 120 centimeter, 12 centimeter and 12. It is total length of the one cutting length of steel bar is 1.44 meters. So now enter the value of the length of each bar is 1.44 meters. So now the 1 meter above tie beam is center to center distance of the stirrups is 8 centimeter. So 1 divided by 0.08 centimeter is equal to 13 numbers. The steel is designed 1 meter above 8 centimeter center to minimize the shear at the base and as well in other joints. To easily transfer the load, safely transfer the load to the putting. So it is the mid span 2.20 at 16 centimeter center to center. So 2.20 divided by 0.16 center to center distance is equal to 14 numbers will be anywhere you, if you want to find the numbers, so divide the length divided by center to center distance, it will give you total number. So the other top is same like the 1 meter, so it is 13. Total number is 14 numbers. So if we need 14 numbers, so one steel bar produce how much? So do 12 length of each bar and divide by 1.44 is equal to 8 numbers. One steel produce 8 numbers. So the total stirrups is 40 numbers and one steel produce 8 numbers pieces. So 40 numbers of steel divided by 8 number produced by one steel. So it will be 5 main steel bars. It means that 12 meter long 5 steel bar is using here in this this column. So 6 by 12 is equal to 120 running meter. And the second will be needed 5 steel bars. So we find the formula for this one. So it is formula d square divided by 162. It means that 8 by 8 square, 8 into 25 by 8 divided by 162 to it, its value will be coming 0.395 kg per running meter. It is per 1 meter. So we need 60 running meter. 60 multiplied by 0.395 is equal to 23.7 kg. So that was the conversion from running meter to kg. If you want to find the exact amount of steel which is exactly used, so it is 40 40 is the number of pieces and the length of each one is 1.44, so it is 57.6, so say 58 to, so minus 60 minus 58, so 2 meter will be your wastage. So thank you for watching the video. Subscribe our channel and click on bell icon.